Hello everyone. Now we are going to take the next type in integration, that is integration of 1 upon root quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means ax square plus bx plus c. I mean to say integration of 1 upon root ax square plus bx plus c dx. So method of this type is almost same whatever we have done in the type 1 upon quadratic equation. So we'll see the method of it. First step, make coefficient of x square as 1. So you can see here sometimes the coefficient of x square is more than 1. If you have coefficient x square as 1, then well and good. If you don't have here 1, then we have to make it 1 by taking that part as common. And after making 1, we have to follow the next step, and that is make perfect square by using third term, that is half into coefficient of x the whole square. So we have to take the coefficient of x, means this one. So this value we have to put here and simplify, we'll get one number, and that number means that third term we have to add after x and subtract it to balance it. And after making that addition and subtraction, we will get a formula like a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. So these are the method in the type 1 upon root quadratic equation. So basically after completing this, we have 3 results. Let's take all the 3 results one by one. First one is integration 1 upon root x square plus a square, that is log of mod of x plus same value, this one, that is root x square plus a square plus. Second one is integration 1 upon root x square minus a square, whose value is log of mod of x plus, again same value, that is root of x square minus a square plus c. So in the first one we have plus sign in between these two, in the second we have a minus sign in between these two, and in third one also we have minus sign, but if you observe it, in a second one first position was a variable and second one was a constant. In a third we have constant at a first position and a variable at a second position, so its value will be sine inverse of x upon a plus c. I'll take one example based on 1 upon root quadratic equation. So let's take the example, integration 1 upon root 2x square plus 4x minus 6 into dx. As I told you that make sure that coefficient of x square must be 1. So in this case we have coefficient of x square as 2. So of course we have to take this 2 as common. So I have taken 2 as common. So here I have x square. At the second position we have 2x minus 2 we have taken common, that is why it will become 3. This 2 take it out from the square root, so it will become root of 2. So remaining term will be root of x square plus 2x minus 3. Now we made it like coefficient of x square as 1. After this root 2 is constant, so according to the rule of integration, this constant we can take outside from the integration. So root 2 I will take outside, that will be 1 upon root 2. So in integration we have 1 upon root x square plus 2x minus 3, and we have to integrate with respect to x. Now we made it coefficient of x square as 1. So of course I have to follow my second method, second step, that is take third term 1 upon 2 into coefficient of x, and coefficient of x is here 2. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, we have 1. If we square it, it will be as it is only. So this one I have to add as well as subtract. So your next step will be 1 upon root 2 as it is only, integration of 1 upon root x square plus 2x. I have added here 1 to balance it, I have to subtract, and the last part is set. When you make the pair of this one and the last two term, so it will be like a perfect square, that is x plus 1 the whole square, and when we simplify minus 1 minus 3, it will become minus 4. Now this 4 I can write it as 2 square, and this is as it is x plus 1 the whole square. So it is in the form of 1 upon root x square minus a square. That is your second result. So we have applied here second result, that is log of mod of x plus 1. This is your x. X plus 1 is here your x. So log of mod of x, x means x plus 1 plus same portion, take it here, that is x plus 1 the whole square minus 2 square inside the square root. So guys, when you simplify this one, so of course we will get the value x square plus 2x minus 3. So this value we have to substitute at this position. That's it.